This tutorial we talk about how to create box model. What is box model? The text around we can give the border is called the box model. You see here, this is I am giving background color. The background color is green, the light green. This is my information. The style sheet I created with this 350 px. And I given border. This is a border. Border. What is a border? 25 px is nothing but what is the width of the border? Color is green and border style. Border style is nothing but solid. I can give any type dotted. For example, if I want to give dotted, I'll go and change the dotted here. Border dotted. Then I will save it and I will run it now. Dotted will come. So suppose I'll give dash like this. Then I can give like this dash. This is different border style that I will give you later. Suppose we want to decrease the border width, you can use 15 px and run it and run here. 15 px. Can you see the width is reduced now? So this way I can do it. So another one is fading is called the gap between. Here I can reduce this one. I can show you what is a gap between these two. You can see the gap. The gap between this space, the content and the border is called inside. Inside what is the box model, the spacing. Around the spacing is called fade. Suppose I give 25 px. Yeah, 25 px. Then I will save it. I'll run it now. You see the gap. The gap is previously gap is like this. Now you can see the gap. The gap is bigger. Correct. So this is what we have. So next one is called margin. What is a margin size? Outside between surrounding this one margin, this and this gap. So this is called 25 px. Now I can make 15 px. I will save it. Then I will run it. Just I will refresh whatever it may be. I want to refresh here. Can you see? It will come like this. 15 px. Suppose I will make 30 px. 30 px. I will save it. Then I will refresh here. Can you see the gap? This is what we what we can call. This is a gap between the margins. So suppose I want to change the color. Color instead of green, I can say red. I will save it. Here I will refresh it. Can you see? Refresh it. The width is nothing but this is the width of the water. This is the width of the border. This is the width of the content. This is the content. Suppose I want to make 450. I will save it. I will run it. Can you see? So this is the content. So this is called the box model. So box model border, we can give border style underscore dash or border with 15 px. Otherwise, we can give like this space, space, space. So order colon the particular with any order you can give. It is not like that. First you can give red. Here I can give red. You can see the red. I can remove this here. If I save it here, then I will refresh. Nothing is a problem. Suppose I will give green here or yellow and I will save it. Then I will refresh it. What order I can give? It is not a problem. Color may be first or width may be or the border style, anything I can do. So this is called the box model.